Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay payment. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to simply pay your Chinese supplier from Alipay to bank account. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to open up our Alipay app. I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay app. Then after open up my Alipay app, next thing I need to do is to simply click on this scan icon right here. So click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on pay right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on transfer. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on transfer to bank. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter the name of the recipient right here, the card number of the supplier. Then simply click on here to select the bank of the supplier. So when you click on here, you are going to see so many bank right here. So scroll down and make sure you select the right and appropriate bank that will receive the fund. So right here, once you select your bank, then simply go back and then click on next. After you click on next, then enter your payment password and the money will be deposited into a supplier bank account. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply transfer from Alipay to a bank account to any Chinese supplier in China. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.